यो copper, the bracelet for men and everybody. So मैले चाहिँ copper लगाएको छु for my vibes and my problems in my body. अब यो चाहिँ one of the best for the humankind भनेर भन्थ्यो because it has a lot of effect on whole health and these things. कसैलाई प्रेसरको इस्यु छ भने it also helps boosting that thing and हामी कपरमा चाहिँ के अरे पानी राखेर पनि के अरे अलिकति प्युरिफाई हुन्छ त्यसको ब्याक्टेरिया whatever the things there it gets destroyed and it's very safe to drink भनेर पनि हुन्छ but then some of my friends really claim like Google कहाँ हेरिकन चाहिँ it never happens भन्न थाल्यो so I've got a lot of friends who has already gone through this kind of a stage because placebo effectले त्यस्तो ठीक हुन्छ भनेर भन्थ्यो placebo effectले पनि हुन्छ because it really helps you in deep inside your psychological state to maintain the sanity your body really cope on that situation if you have something very believing kind of a stuff but then some of my friends who really had their relatives had the pressure issue so they gone through this and the pressure is never there that's what they claim मेरो चाहिँ यहाँ अहिले अब एउटा उसमा चाहिँ सानो एक्सपेरिमेन्ट राख्न खोजिरहेको छु म चाहिँ ग्लोभ्सहरु युज गर्छु केही यताउति फोर काम चला भने अनि त्यो चला भने चाहिँ केही अलिकति डिफरेन्ट हुँदो रहेछ क्या त्यो ग्लोभ्स चाहिँ एकैताल कलर चेन्ज हुँदो रहेछ लाइक आई डोन्ट नो इट्स yellowish to dark yellowish हुन्छ so let me just take you there ल एकैछिन give me a second so this is the surgical gloves it's very clean and everything so I'm just wearing it right now and we'll just wait for the colors to change yes यता साइडको सबै कलरहरु चेन्ज हुँदो रहेछ क्या so I don't know it's a chemical interaction between the coppers and this from the globe let's check ल so मैले चाहिँ युज गरे यसको म माथि युज गर्छु होला so we'll just wait कलर एकैताल चेन्ज हुन्छ क्या अनि म वहाँ परिरहेको छु यो मेरो यो अलिकति उ छ लाइट यो पुरै लाउँछ ल यो सो भित्रसम्म लाइसक्यो and just we'll wait एकैछिनमा चेन्ज हुँदो रहेछ I don't know what's wrong with then चेन्ज हुन्छ म उसमा देखाउँछु म ल के कलर उसमा के रे नेचुरल को उसमा okay here it is oh the color red okay so your normal थियो now it will start changing reacting with the copper or is it just my body that's it's reacting with this thing I don't know it never happens अरे भैया कस्तो भइदेखेको यार ठट्टरीका so यहाँ चाहिँ अलिअलि देख्न थालेछ this is how it's changed see this thing so how does it happen भन्ने खालको नि it was pure white यस्तो कोवर केही थिएन यस्तो केही थिएन and it started your side मा देखि गएर अब यहाँसम्म आइसकेको छ okay so यो यतिकै हुँदो रहेछ I don't know the scientific reason but then for sure there is chemical interaction between the elements in the copper pure copper भन्छ अनि यो चाहिँ surgical thing अरे यार मोबाइल पनि झन्डो भएको छ मेरो खसेर टुङ there यस्तो हुन्छ so I'm really confused यस्तो हुन्छ क्या see you can clearly see मेरोमा चाहिँ के अरे वार्म लाइट छ अनि त्यही भएर बाहिर गएको बट देन ब्याकग्राउन्ड चाहिँ थाहा हुँदो रहेछ the white and this is background white and it can be visibly visible in this mode the color changing I don't know अब यो चाहिँ मैले रिसर्च नै गर्नुपर्ने हुन्छ के अरे whatever the Google or the ChatGPT or the Gemini or the DeepSeek. So I mean, this really tells you something about this, the importance of the pure copper in your body. Let's say यो भित्र चाहिँ अलि white substance पनि हुन्छ यो ग्लोब्स को त्यही भएर यसको त्यही chemical reaction पनि हुन सक्छ. And I wonder what really happens भन्ने खालको. But anyways म अर्को के अरे यो नलागेको यो उसमा पनि यो एउटा एक्सपेरिमेन्ट गर्छु एन्ड देन I'll come back.